work at 6, and this is the third one. So its name is Bulldozer.
Yes.
And it can like move this block over here and move back, turn, move this block to there, back, turn, and move this block to there, back, turn, and move this block to there, back, and turn around like where it started.
Wait, sounds good. Can you run the code, please?
Yeah.
Right, sounds good. Dropped off, but that was probably because of the first position that you put in, right?
Yeah.
Good. Are you happy with the result?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to do it again, or?
Okay.
Yeah, because I've seen it work. Just back a bit more, yeah. The robot like here-ish, maybe? Yeah. No, it's turning a lot. What was the hardest part of this project?
I think programming.
Okay. What did you have to consider when you were programming?
Like when it turns, and how many seconds it moves forward and backward.
Yep.
And yeah.
Okay.
And power.
Yeah. Would you say this was one of your, let's say, hardest project programming-wise?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Hey, good job.